today we are here, we're going to unbox this Hisense LED TV. It's a 32-inch indoor TV, alright? So let's just start the unboxing right now. So firstly, I'm going to cut off the little tip right here. And let's see. Okay, before cutting, you must remember to look at the sign right here. It says front, which means that the TV is facing this way. And yeah, so let's just cut this off. And alright, now, so when you cut off the top part of the box, you could see that everything is covered really nicely. And just take this out so that there are two stands right here. These are the TV stand and also one more right here. So these are the two TV stands. So here's the TV. I've took it out of the box. And the best thing about this TV, I think, it's a small TV. As you can see, it's only a 32-inch TV, but it is very light, guys. It's really light, and it has no bezel right here. It's a bezel-less TV, except for this bottom part right here, where there's a 1-inch bezel right here. And other than that, there are no bezels around the TV, which is kind of cool, you know. And they also included this remote control with the TV. So let me just pick up the remote, and they have all these warranty cards and instruction manuals. Yeah, so this is the actual remote for the Hisense TV. And I don't know whether they have included the batteries for the remote. No, they have not included the batteries actually. So yeah, and they also have the screws right here. Okay, as you can see, there's screws. I think this screws is for the TV stand. Right, for this TV right here, you could use it as a computer monitor, or you could even use it as a TV to be placed on a mount. And as they have included this stand, right? These are the stand. There are two stands included with this TV. So I'm gonna place this stand under the TV right now and show you how it works, alright? There you go. I have already placed the stand, and the TV is ready to be watched. And as you can see here, there are a few good things and bad things about this TV. Number one, I love it because it is very light, right? Very light. Okay, it's very light. And now let's look at the back of the TV right now. Here, the power cable is a fixed power cable, right? A fixed power cable where you could not remove the power cable. So if there is a problem with the plug, you gotta change this plug by removing this part right here. So it's gonna be a hassle. So before switching on this TV, I'm going to show you what are the ports available on this TV. So as you could see here, there is this, these are all audio ports. This one is the satellite port. And you also have this USB port and HDMI port to connect to your entertainment system. And the VESA size for this TV is, 100mm by 200mm. Right, it's cm, so it's 100 times 200. And I'm going to show you also how to mount this TV on the next video. If you want to mount this TV on drywall. And this kind of TV is really suitable. This is an advantage for the TV, you know. These kind of TVs, they are really suitable to be mounted on a no-stud drywall, right? No-stud drywall, because it's very light compared to all other TVs. Although it's small, it is only a 32-inch TV, but it's really light and suitable to be mounted on a no-stud TV mount. So I have successfully switched on the TV. This is the remote control that came with the Hisense 32-inch TV. The quality of the picture here is pretty decent. For the price that I paid is about $200 in Amazon. And why I got this TV is because I want to mount it on a dry wall without any stud, because it's very light and it's light and it's suitable to mount it on a dry wall without any stud. So I'm going to show you that on the next video, right?